How to check watch history on Twitter. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and tap that bell icon on so you'd be updated for notifications. So first is to go to your Twitter app on your phone. So after opening your Twitter app, what we need to do is go to your profile by clicking on your profile icon at the top and go to the profile option. And in your profile, you can see here the tweets and the replies. So in both the tweets and replies, you can see your activities for your tweets and replies, and also the history of your activities. So this will act as like a history, so you can see what activities that you have done. So if you want more of that history, you want to go to settings and privacy, then go to help center. So in the help center, you can see all of the things that you have done by requesting or making a report about what concern that you want to like for Twitter to do to you. For example, a history of your activities. So thank you for watching.